Cleaning floors can be a back-breaking chore. Sloppy mops make a mess. Sponge mops are a pain to wring out. And disposable cleaners cost a fortune in pads that you just throw out. Now there's a better way. It's time to switch up your floor cleaning. Introducing Switch and Clean from JML, the revolutionary cleaning super tool that lets you switch from side to side or wet to dry to clean your floors faster and easier than ever before. Switch and Clean is a mop, broom, duster and skirting board cleaner all in one. Just flip and go to take the hassle out of cleaning. The secret is Switch and Clean's revolutionary double-sided cleaning head, which lets you flip from dirty side to clean side so you can keep mopping without stopping, or switch from wet to dry without wasting any time. And once you've cleaned the mess, the self-wringer lets you wring it out with no stress. The super thick microfiber pad wipes away wet messes like juice, spaghetti sauce, muddy paw prints, even sticky jam. Look how one side absorbs this coffee spill, the other sucks up this fizzy mess. Incredible! It's tough on scuffs, yet gentle on floors. Great for hardwood, tile, laminate and much more. And gets deep down in grout lines. And when dry, the microfibers grab dirt and dust like a magnet. Removes allergens, gets rid of germs, pick up pet hair, even polish floors. And clean skirting boards. Squeeze it into tight places and drops under low spaces. And when done, just wring out the pad and throw it in the wash. Switch and Clean stands on its own and is easy to store. Forget those sloppy mops and paying a fortune for pads. Switch up your cleaning with a Switch and Clean mop from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.